Hello, and welcome back.
To Why Are the Curtains Blue?
And today is a little bit of a different episode. We're going to be discussing
Endings, something that I love at social gatherings. We're talking about endings because हमेशा जब कोई फिल्म एंड होती है तो दैट फीलिंग जो आपके साथ रह जाती है उस फीलिंग को हमें एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत पसंद है.
और बहुत बार बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स में ऐसे एंडिंग्स होते हैं जो आप कभी सोच ही नहीं सकते थे कि ऐसा एंडिंग होने वाला है.
Correct.
या कभी कभी ये भी फीलिंग आ जाता है जो बहुत कैथार्सिस आपको दे सकती है. सो वी वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट 4 films today.
Yes. And what is the first film we're talking about, Ida?
The first film is Billu Babar, or actually it's called Billu, the name was changed. But yeah, I forced you to watch it.
Yes.
So what did you think?
Ida was like, you have to watch it. This is the ending that we have to discuss. I enjoyed it a lot. मैं आई थिंक एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी कि कोई थ्रिलर एंडिंग होगा लाइक सम काइंड ऑफ
सेटअप बहुत ऐसा कर दिया कि
हाँ,
पता ही
कुछ
नहीं होगा कि
crazy
क्या
होने
होने
वाला
वाला
है,
है, कुछ
हाँ.
क्रेजी होने वाला है.
बट इट वाज वेरी होलसम. मतलब वो ऐसा कोई प्लॉट ट्विस्ट नहीं आया उसमें. प्लॉट ट्विस्ट नहीं था.
प्लॉट ट्विस्ट है ही नहीं.
Plot
बहुत
twist तो
सिंपल
नहीं
सी
था.
कहानी है.
Correct.
प्रियादर्शन जी ने बनाई है, which I also recently found out.
Oh.
प्रियादर्शन is like the
Yeah.
great comedic
Yeah.
mastermind. और ये पिक्चर काफ़ी उनके स्केल से थोड़ी छोटी है और एक विलेज में सेट है. इरफान खान बिल्लू बाबर का किरदार निभाते हैं एंड देयर इज़ ऑल्सो शाहरुख खान इन इट हु इज़ द बिग स्टार साहिर खान. और एक छोटे से गांव में सेट है. बिल्लू की एक परिवार है, वो बाबर है, उनका एक पूरा कम्युनिटी है. लोग हर दिन एक ही किस्म का बात करते हैं. एक जगह शॉपिंग जाता है, एक जगह अपना बर्तन धोने जाता है, पानी कलेक्ट करने जाता है. और इस छोटे से गांव में एक बहुत बड़ी शूटिंग होने वाली है. दैट्स द सेटअप. और शूटिंग में साहिर खान आता है जो शाहरुख खान है. और कैसे कैसे करके पता चलता है दैट बिल्लू द बार्बर नोज साहिर खान. Everyone in the village gets behind Billu to go meet Sahir Khan and make them meet Sahir Khan. But it's filled with like a bunch of innocent people who all they want is a picture with Sahir Khan. And Billu is like, हाँ मैं जानता हूँ but पता नहीं मैं कैसे उनसे मिल सकता हूँ. वो कॉल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो उनके होटल जाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but too many guards, too many people around Sahir Khan, you know, it's very tough to get to him.
या
So people stop believing Billu. People start making fun of him, start making fun of his wife
Yeah.
and his kids. फिर जाके जब ending आती है, it's so satisfying.
Yeah.
And it's so like grand. उन्होंने पूरा साहिर खान एक स्कूल में invited है और वो एक speech दे रहे हैं कि आप लोग इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं,
हाँ.
आपकी पूरी ज़िंदगी पड़ी है, पर आप अपने दोस्तों को मत भूलिएगा. Basically is the gist of what he's saying. And he brings up बिल्लू, मेरा दोस्त बिल्लू.
या
जब मैं छोटा था
टू गुड.
मेरे पास खाने को कुछ नहीं होता था. सब स्कूल में अपने टिफ़िन लाते थे, मैं बस पानी पीता था. बट बिल्लू था जो मेरा दोस्त था और वो मुझे अपना टिफ़िन देता था. और मेरा दोस्त बिल्लू जो मेरे लिए अपने कान के सोने की बालियाँ बेच दिया. एंड ही गेव मी अ टिकट टू बॉम्बे, you know.
Yeah.
So, and while he's saying all this, the villagers are realizing that it's their Billu also.
या
And the film could have ended there, but it doesn't.
इट रियली डजंट.
एंडिंग में बिल्लू बाबर के घर पे बिल्लू होते हैं, उनकी बीवी होती है लारा दत्ता एंड हिज किड्स आर देयर. और आते हैं साहिर खान. एंड दैट एंडिंग वेयर इरफान खान एंड Shahrukh Khan are eye to eye and they're just acting with their eyes. Even the words are not needed.
नॉट
really.
एट ऑल.
जो उनके आँखों में वो दिखता है कि the years that we've lost and shit, this is you now and this is me now.
I love the ending.
Yeah.
It was very sweet and like this ending scene जो एक तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था that there is a movie. That is like I felt very uncultured जब मुझे पता चला कि there is a movie जिसमें इरफान खान एंड शाहरुख खान साथ में, और मैंने देखा ही नहीं है. एंड देन ये भी था कि वो सेम फ्रेम में पूरे टाइम थे ही नहीं कभी भी एंडिंग तक. तो वो एंडिंग इवन मोर सेटिस्फाइंग हो गया, विच इज़ ट्रू दैट इट वॉज वेरी कथार्टिक. क्योंकि हम पूरे फिल्म में देख रहे हैं लोग या तो उसके पीछे पड़े हुए हैं कि तुम मुझे मिलाओ साहिर खान से, या फिर बोलने कि तुम तो जानते ही नहीं हो, तुम साहिर खान को जानते ही नहीं हो. तो अचानक से ही सेज इट हिमसेल्फ एंड एक्चुअली आई डोंट थिंक ही वाज ट्राइंग दैट हार्ड टू मीट हिम. जब वो उसके बच्चे भी जब बोलते हैं कि मुझे मिला दो, मैं मतलब हाँ मैं कॉल करके बोलता हूँ, या फिर वो जाके क्राउड में 1-2 बार ट्राई कर लेते हैं, बट ही डजंट गो लाइक क्रेजी अबाउट इट. लाइक ही इज नॉट लाइक फाइटिंग द गार्ड्स लाइक अ
जो
लॉट ऑफ
बाकी
पीपल.
सब इतने इतने
हाँ.
लोग पेड़ वेड़ चढ़ रहे हैं,
हाँ.
बाउंड्री क्रॉस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो इतना नहीं कर रहा है.
नहीं.
Um,
So that was very nice to see. Like it was satisfying even because even due to the fact that कि वो ऐसा extreme attempts हुए नहीं थे, फिर भी वो मिले और एक दूसरे से वो खुद से उनके सामने से आए. Basically it was initiated by Sahir.
But even maintaining his dignity, इतने लोग उसे इतना चिढ़ाए हैं, इतना कुछ बोला गया है बिल्लू के बारे में, but he maintains himself. And इसीलिए जब बाद में सबको पता चलता है that वो इतने करीब है साहिर खान के, that is very satisfying.
Yeah.
And also, like you said, the whole film, we only see him trying to meet him, or like we're not seeing them in the same frame. We see Sahir Khan in a light where it's like वो बड़ा स्टार है, वो इतने सारे हीरोइंस के साथ डांस करता है, इतनी बड़ी पिक्चर, वो कुछ रोबोट टाइप मूवी बना रहा है. उसके बारे में हम कुछ जानते नहीं हैं, पर जब जाके जानने लगे वो स्पीच में कि वो कहाँ से आता है, उसके पास कुछ पैसे नहीं थे, उसके पास बाल कटाने के पैसे नहीं थे, all of that when you find out and you're like, yeah man, they must have been each other's soulmates even.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
Some people come and save you.
Exactly.
And you never forget them, which is what you see. And a lot of successful people, I think, always have someone जिन्होंने उनको किसी चीज़ से बचाया है, जिसकी वजह से वो सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं eventually.
बचाया भी है और किसी और पुश किया है.
हाँ.
You know, अगर वो कभी ट्रेन का टिकट देते नहीं, बिल्लू अगर साहिर खान को देते ही नहीं टिकट, तो वो बॉम्बे कहीं और जाती, पता नहीं क्या होता उनका.
ऐसे फ्रेंडशिप्स, लेकिन मतलब आई थिंक माई डैड टॉक्स अबाउट दीज फ्रेंडशिप्स एंड हाउ ही हैज़ दीज फ्रेंड्स एंड हाउ दे यूज टू डू लाइक एकदम मतलब they'll give their lives for each other and stuff. I don't know if that's the case anymore because we have so much access to like किसी को, as in actually I should probably not, this is a very privileged thing, right?
I don't know, you say it then we can see.
I just feel like nowadays I'm not seeing like friendships जिसमें लोग मतलब basically बिल्लू has given जितना भी उसके पास था टिकट खरीदने के लिए, उसके पास उतने भी पैसे नहीं थे, but he gave it. And like he gave basically his net worth or whatever
Yes.
away to help his friend out. अभी कौन करता है ये? I don't know if this is me being like, oh, like you know,
पता
olden
नहीं
times.
पर अभी भी करेंगे, अगर किसी को ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो करेंगे. हम बहुत हम लोग एक जनरेशन या एक सोसाइटी से आते हैं जहाँ हमें उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है, बट शायद करते होंगे लोग
Actually, yeah.
And Billu must have seen something in him, no, in Sahir Khan. That's why he believed with all his heart that if he goes to Bombay, he's going to succeed.
That's very true. Your childhood friend, like I remember my friend Arshi, shout out. She used to sing. She used to sing a lot, and we used to be like class 6 या 7 में हम बोलते थे कि मैं उसकी मैनेजर बनूंगी और वो गाना गाएगी and she'll be like Hannah Montana and I'll be Scooter Braun and you know,
Yeah.
we'll do all of those things and हम गाते रहते थे, हम प्लान करते थे हम अवार्ड जीतेंगे और मैं ट्राई करती थी कि मैं कुछ परफॉर्म करूं या कुछ कॉमेडी का करूं और वो मेरे ऊपर हंसती थी और हम एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते थे बेसिकली. एंड वी नीदर ऑफ अस न्यू दैट वी वुड एक्चुअली एंड अप डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस फॉर रियल इन लाइफ.
Yeah.
सो एंड अगर वो मे बी अगर वो उसने नहीं किया होता या मैंने उससे नहीं किया होता सपोर्ट, तो हम वो पैशन को फॉलो ही नहीं करते. वो आज तक गाती नहीं और मैं आज तक कॉमेडी नहीं करती. तो वो ऐसे बचपन में बाय चांस जो दोस्ती हो जाती है जिससे आपको एक्चुअली
Encouragement, support, ये सब पूरा सब मिलता है.
आप एक्चुअलाइज
आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, आपके वो हंस नहीं रहे.
या एंड वो आपकी बहन या भाई नहीं है, वो आपके दोस्त हैं जो आपको जज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
काफी ओपनली, उनका कोई बायस नहीं
और
है.
अगर आप मतलब अगर आप कुछ एम्बैरेसिंग करेंगे तो वो हट भी जा सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि खून का रिश्ता है कि मुझे रहना है तुम्हारे साथ. It's fine, you know, but they stay.
Yeah.
When you stay and you don't need to stay, that is what real friendship is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy how they explored that in one scene.
That's
क्योंकि
true.
हमको उनके
That
पूरे
is true.
रिलेशनशिप के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है एंडिंग तक. एंडिंग में ही सारी आंसर्स मिली हैं, वो
हाँ
भी
बाकी
5
सब तो
मिनट
बस
में.
पिक्चर चल रही है. बट स्टिल आई बिलीव दैट देयर फ्रेंडशिप इज सो डीप.
Because the look that you spoke about,
या
that look said, and I mean, obviously they are scholarly actors
Yes.
who have done this scene,
Yes.
so obviously we get the depth of emotion or whatever. But you could just tell the whole story.
या
कि कितना मिस किया उन्होंने.
अगर कुछ नहीं होता, अगर पूरा स्पीच नहीं होता, वो लोग मिलते और बस एक दूसरे को देखते एंड उनके आंखों में थोड़ा सा आंसू है एंड द लुक दैट दे आर गिविंग ईच अदर, उससे ही पूरी कहानी पता चल
उससे ही
जाती.
पता चल जाती है एक्चुअली. नाइस.
So-
So thank you Veda for the recommendation. I enjoyed it. It
Yeah.
was not the thrilling ending
It's
that I
not
was
like
expecting.
खूनी कौन है,
हाँ,
क्या हो
नहीं,
जाता है,
कोई whodunit
2-3
भी
more
नहीं था.
murders, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But you
But-
did, were you expecting a murder?
I was expecting, yeah.
कोई जाके शाहरुख खान को
मुझे
मार
लगा
देगा.
कहानी वाला एंडिंग होगा dude. Yeah, कि शाहरुख खान will turn out to be like his I don't know, step brother and
Oh, that's true.
yeah, I was going in like the 60s endings in
हाँ,
fact.
हाँ.
कि बार्बर और बिल्लू एंड बाबर, इरफान खान, शाहरुख
हाँ.
खान, कोई तो quirky चीज होने वाली है.
Yeah.
हुई. This is
Quirky नहीं, but cathartic. That's what I want to
Yeah.
say about this.
the setting that you were talking about, the village and stuff. It was very I don't know, like Om Shanti Om was a BTS situation, right? कि पूरे उनके like
Picture कैसे बनाते हैं ऐसा.
हाँ, third like point of view on how a picture is made. This was also kind of that कि उनका इतना glamour, इतना ज़्यादा extreme glamour and
Stardom कैसे, क्या
हाँ.
होता है.
लोग
And you can
गिर
only
रहे
know
हैं.
what stardom is when you see the reaction of people in a village or people around a
the
shoot.
masses that people keep saying.
Exactly. लोग तो पागल हो गए थे.
Like it's worship. It's literal
Literally.
worship.
Yeah.
And it was such an interesting choice to have the last of the stars to play this part. Like,
And thank God he said yes to this
Right?
role. You know, it's not a very big part, but he said yes, and that's what made the film.
yeah.
We wouldn't believe it if it was just some actor trying to be a star.
Now I see what you mean. क्योंकि मैं स्टार्टिंग में बोल रही थी कि बहुत सारी सीन्स हैं जिसमें साहिर खान्स कैरेक्टर इज शोन एज दिस लाइक ग्रैंड लाइक हीरो एंड ही इज डूइंग दीज स्टंट्स एंड डांसेस एंड मतलब 7-8 montages of
हाँ.
him just having these moments.
मरजानी
Yeah.
मरजानी like, क्या हो रहा है, क्यों?
Like हर 5 minutes there was a montage. And I was like, what's going on? But था जरूरी था शायद. I guess. I don't know.
स्पेशली उस समय के लिए ना यही करते थे स्टार्स और मजा आता था.
हाँ.
अगर कोई OTT तो था नहीं,
नहीं.
तो अगर कोई पिक्चर देखने जा रहा है तो उन्हें डांस चाहिए, उन्हें गाना चाहिए. शाहरुख खान है, so how can he not dance?
That's true. That's true. Yeah, we have to see him dance if
exactly.
he's on. Well,
And then you have the allure of Deepika Padukone and Kareena Kapoor
Oh, yeah.
and Priyanka Chopra.
that was crazy.
Yeah.
The dance. एक तो मुझे यही नहीं रियलाइज हुआ कि इतने सारे सॉन्ग्स जो मैं सुनती रहती हूँ.
हाँ, very popular songs.
Very popular song.
Even the one where Lara Datta is imagining herself with Shah Rukh Khan.
हाँ.
खुदाया है
खुदाया
ऐसे.
है. I had no idea.
So you brought up Kahani.
कहानी.
That has a thrilling ending.
One of the most famous endings I feel like in a very long time. One of the first films I think जिसका just standalone like a woman leading a mystery thriller murder mystery basically. Vidya Balan,
Yeah.
Vidya Bagchi
And it does well.
commercially and critically. It does well. It's still one of the best. Like Bob Biswas is synonymous to pop culture at this
Yeah.
point. कि
A killer.
हाँ.
अगर हम हिंदी किलर के बारे में सोचेंगे, बॉब बिस्वास इज द फर्स्ट नेम.
he is too good.
OG इंडियन किलर मैन.
Yeah.
जिनको अगर हम कहानी में नहीं देखेंगे और कहीं और की दुकान में बैठा हुआ देखेंगे, वी वुड हैव नेवर इमेजिन दैट देयर इज दिस लाइक ग्रेट किलर इन हिम, एटलीस्ट फॉर मी. यू नो, आई वुड इमेजिन कि वो किसी के घर जाके रसगुल्ला खाएंगे और फिर यू नो अंकल जी है. बट द वे दैट
नमकीन ले आइए. Yeah.
that one scene
Yeah.
where the metro is coming एंड विद्या बालन इज स्टैंडिंग एंड वो उनके पीछे आते हैं और टैप करते हैं. विद्या बालन पीछे देखती है एंड वो बस पुश कर देते हैं.
Dude,
दैट इज क्रेजी. आई एम श्योर मैं जब पहली बार देखी थी मुझे नाइटमेयर्स आए होंगे बॉब बिस्वास के बारे में. बट आई स्टिल फाइंड हिम वेरी क्यूट. आई डोंट नो, इट्स वियर्ड.
Ted Bundy, who? Like, we need to start romanticizing our own serial killers.
Exactly.
That's the representation that
Exactly.
is needed, actually. Kahani is just one of those films jahan pe you watch it as many times as you watch it, or the first time you watch it, you're just like, I wish I could watch it again for the first time. Because uski ending obviously is
Mind blown.
crazy.
But once you've seen it, then you know it.
Then you know it and it still hits you every time क्योंकि वो this is one of those movies जो बार बार देखेंगे और बार बार बोलेंगे ये कुछ मैंने मिस कर दिया था, ये मैंने मिस
अच्छा
कर दिया था.
इसीलिए वो ऐसे कर रही थी और ये ऐसे कर रहा था.
It's like a package of like I guess even revenge, of course, of womanhood in a lot of ways. I feel like maybe because this is a woman's
100%.
quest to finding revenge या फिर अपनी revenge for the love of her life, and वो अकेले travel करना, independent होना, collaborate करना with people in senior official positions.
And also, she's come to India, and most people that she has to interact with are men. Like men all over in Calcutta. वो किसी को जानती नहीं है. उसे introduce करना है अपने आप को. उसे ये बताना है कि उसका पति missing है. She can't trust anyone, but she has to trust people. That too, there's not a lot of womanly figurehood in this.
No.
Except for her.
Yeah.
So it's tough navigating
She
through
is the
that.
only lady in the
Yeah.
cast in that
Yeah.
sense.
और ये सब बस इतना अच्छा हमें इसीलिए लगता है बिकॉज ऑफ विद्या बालन. यू नो, बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं होती, इतनी हाई कैलिबर एक्टर नहीं होती, तब हम कभी बिलीव ही नहीं कर पाते कि वो इतनी इनोसेंट है, वो इतने शिद्दत से अपने हस्बैंड को ढूंढ रही है और फिर एक पल में वो बदल जाती है. यू नो, दैट मोमेंट वेयर वी रियलाइज दैट शी इज़ नॉट प्रेग्नेंट and then that whole scene.
That whole scene is crazy. And it's like there's beats in that scene where first we get she turns around, then we get the hairpin, then
Yeah.
we get the belly, like first we get the belly where she hits him.
Yes.
Then she takes, and all these things are symbols of womanhood, right? Hairpin एक औरत यूज करती है अपने बन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. प्रेगनेंसी का ऑब्वियसली इज अ वुमन्स दिस थिंग. Even the way that she's being attacked and the way that she's retaliating is her protecting herself
Yeah.
from a man. All of using tools that belong
Womanly,
to her.
feminine.
Yeah, feminine tools.
वो लड़का नहीं बन जा रही है उसके
नहीं.
रिटालिएशन में. वो अपने आप जो भी वो कर सकती है वो कर रही है एज अ वुमन.
Correct.
It's also her love for her husband that sends her down the quest for this revenge, you know. So yeah.
I guess we can speak of ये जो setting में जो कोलकाता में place किया गया है इसको,
Yes.
इस story को. I'm from Calcutta.
Yes.
And you are also
I've
partly.
been to Calcutta many times. I have a
Yes.
lot of family there.
Yes. So we are both well versed with ये city से तो हमें काफ़ी familiarity and love है. And I just think it was perfect. मतलब ये कहीं और सेट होती ना ये कहानी तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
एक
इस
तो पहले
तरीके से.
दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम में सेट है.
हाँ.
वो खुद ब खुद इतना लेयर्स ऐड कर देता है, कल्चर ऐड कर देता है, क्राउड ऐड कर देता है. विद्या बालन इज मूविंग थ्रू crowded streets, people are making noise, they're worshipping. You were talking about this eeriness that it creates.
Yes. I think Calcutta monsoon में या अक्टूबर में and काफ़ी बार actually it can have a very romantic eerie feeling. Like almost like एक filter लगा हुआ है grayness का. या तो वो बारिश से आ रहा है या फिर वो हम importance of art and culture से आ रहा है या फिर the fact that nostalgia is more important than the present in Calcutta sometimes.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, सब बोलते हैं अगर तुम कैलकाटा के अंदर अभी भी जाएंगे अब अगर हम एक पुराना टीवी रिपेयर शॉप दिखेगा टीवी जो कि मतलब 2004 में लास्ट बना होगा मे बी बट इट्स ऑल देयर.
Yeah.
एंड द फैक्ट दैट इट वाज इन दिस मोनालिसा गेस्ट हाउस जो मैंने देखा है कितनी बार लाइक मैं वहीं उसके आसपास रहती थी मैंने क्रॉस किया कि क्या लोकेशन से पिक क्योंकि कैलकाटा में काफ़ी ऐसी नुक्स एंड क्रैनीज हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं एंड बहुत सी कहानियाँ बहुत इजीली स्प्रेड हो जाती हैं क्योंकि बहुत ही टाइट नेट कम्युनिटी है. तो यू नो दिस पर्सन, एवरीबडी हैज़ 1 degree ऑफ सेपरेशन फ्रॉम ईच अदर इन कैलकाटा इज व्हाट आई फील.
Yeah.
And it's just such a perfect setting because she enters that guest house, she goes into that room and she starts crying.
Yeah.
And it's just
Food ke roti hai, like someone had said.
चमक जाती है.
But yeah.
It was a great setting. I don't think this movie would have landed in Delhi.
Yeah, if it was in Delhi, it would have been very different. I think, and maybe they'd have to, but it couldn't have been this film there.
हाँ.
You know, Delhi का landscape बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. Calcutta, that nooks and crannies thing. You know, one street goes into another street, and there are people and old culture inside every single place that you
Yeah.
visit.
Different.
Yes.
That's true.
And the whole vibe of like that humidity and the wetness of Calcutta has a lot of gloomy, damp feeling also.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends on the film क्योंकि इस पिक्चर में उन्होंने वैसे ही शूट किया है, थोड़ा डार्क में शूट किया है, as opposed to a film like Piku, which was also shot part
Same,
of it in Calcutta, but that's sunny.
Yeah.
So
And Calcutta can be both things.
can be both.
मैं अगर कैलकटा को इमेजिन करती हूँ तो मुझे वो दीवार में जो पपड़ी होती है वो मुझे याद आता है हमेशा.
Actually, yeah.
Like the black one or the dry one
Yeah.
or the monsoon, whatever papdi is, what I don't know what it is about it. Like वो भी bright हो सकता है और वो भी gloomy भी हो सकता है. वो sunny after rains पपड़ी जो दिखती है जिस पे sun shine करता है and that smell comes, that's also one way of looking at that moss. And there's one of like it just being, it's raining and it's continuing to dampen itself
Yeah.
and the building is like almost going to fall apart, but nobody
Yes.
wants to change it because we like to live in the past and no new places will ever work out in
Wow.
Calcutta because we are constantly craving for something that has already happened, which makes so much sense for this movie to exist there because
wow,
she is
Karima, a lot
stuck
of
in her past and she's constantly वो जाना चाहती, मेरे हस्बैंड का रिवेंज लेना चाहती उसके पास्ट लव में, उसके पास्ट स्टोरीज में, और वो वापस she wants to revisit. What other place to revisit
Wow.
things than in
That was
Calcutta?
amazing. I don't think इसके बाद और कुछ बोला जा सकता है इस पिक्चर के बारे में. This was all your deep-rooted
It really came
thoughts of
out.
Calcutta.
Yeah, love you.
But good. At least we got personal.
Why was I so nervous about talking about Kahani?
I know when you're so passionate about it, I can see that. Now, for a very underrated film, which I love, Karthik Calling Karthik.
Woo!
Please comment down below if you have watched this film, and if you haven't, you have to go watch it.
It's so underrated.
I know.
Why does nobody talk about it?
No one talks about it. Many people have not even watched it.
हाँ नहीं.
They've only heard of Teri Ada.
वो इस movie से?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
I know. I'm like, oh wow.
But yeah, it's a good film.
It's so artsy
It's
and
artsy,
good.
but yeah, it's artsy in a way which keeps you hooked.
Sorry, who's the maker of the film?
It's a director called Vijay Lalwani, I think.
I looked it up.
Yeah, and he's made a show called The Final Call.
Yeah.
Remember? Yeah.
Haan, we were looking this up and I want to watch other stuff.
Yeah.
I think Karthik Calling Karthik is one of those films that came out before its time. Like, अगर वो अभी 15 साल बाद आती तो maybe it would have done better
Yeah.
in terms of recall and all of that. Maybe it just came out too soon.
Yeah.
It's too good.
Because if it was released right now, I can see people going to a theater even to watch it. you
है ना?
know? It's a great concept. It deals with
Mental illness.
mental illness in a way which is very thrilling. It's not like a bhashan on mental illness.
No.
It's actually living that experience. And बहुत टाइम तक पता नहीं चलता कि ये क्या हो रहा है, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, उसे कौन कॉल कर रहा है, उसकी आवाज़ है, वो उठाता है, उसकी आवाज़ उसे कुछ इनकरेज भी करता है. वो इतना छोटा सा आदमी होता है, वो किसी उसके कोई दोस्त नहीं होते, वो काम पे अच्छा नहीं करता है, ये कॉल आने लगता है, कार्तिक इज कॉलिंग कार्तिक, कार्तिक इज इनकरेजिंग कार्तिक टू बी अ सर्टेन वे, ही चेंजेस हिज लुक, ही बिकम्स दिस लाइक
suave personality.
suave personality. He's gotten rid of his specs. He's wearing a suit. He's walking in. He gets the girl of his dreams, Deepika Padukone.
Let's go.
And like this, his life has changed.
What mental illness were they dealing with? Was it bipolar?
Two things. One was schizophrenia,
Of course.
and the other was multiple personality
Personality.
disorders. Yeah, I think multiple because at the very end it's revealed that he also made up his brother, elder brother. So end में जब revelation आता है वो उनकी जो therapist होती है शिफाली शाह, she says that Karthik always felt guilty about killing his elder brother, but he never had an elder
never
brother,
had one.
which is why his parents never
It's
believed
giving
him.
me goosebumps now also.
हाँ.
It's like, have you watched Modern Love ka that episode? This is very different, obviously.
Okay.
But Modern Love, season 1, New York one,
Okay.
Anne Hathaway's episode deals with bipolar disorder and how she just has these two phases. Ki ek baar she's completely sad, right? For 6 months, basically like 6 months of her life, she's very sad. बाकी 6 months में वो खुश रहती है या फिर half a day kind of a thing. Like 1 week she's happy, 1
Okay.
week. And I just feel like there's very few portrayals which are done very tastefully of mental illnesses as well. I mean, I can't speak for it because I don't have this illness, but
That's
and
true,
maybe
yeah.
somebody who does might not have enjoyed the way that it was portrayed in this film. But it was still not portrayed in a badly done light,
Yeah.
at least. Like, it wasn't making fun of it or making it demonic or, you know, like a lot of times personality disorders, जिस तरीके से Indian cinema में deal करते हैं especially, become very non-human.
Yeah.
They don't see them as human beings. This showed a very vulnerable side कि कार्तिक actually वो क्या चाहता है बनना, वो ये
पहले
बनना
तो वो
चाहता
हीरो है.
हाँ.
Which is also why it might have not worked at that time. Because हमारे हीरो को एक illness है जो उसे थोड़ा weak कभी कभी बना देता है, उसे थोड़ा confused कभी कभी बना देता है, बट पिक्चर ये कभी नहीं बोल रहा है that ये हमारा हीरो नहीं है.
हाँ.
और एंडिंग तो हैप्पी है ना.
एंडिंग तो हैप्पी है.
जो लड़की है शनाली, शी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड्स. शी गोज एंड लुक्स फॉर हिम व्हेन शी फाइंड्स आउट दैट ओके एंडिंग में ये होता है. इफ यू नॉट वॉच द फिल्म, लॉग ऑफ एंड वॉच इट. बट एंडिंग में ये पता चलता है कि उसे कॉल्स आ रही है बिकॉज ही हैज़ दिस फोन, telephone landline. He has this landline that pre-records messages. So Karthik wakes up in the middle of the night. He records a message for himself and goes back to
It's
sleep.
crazy. That scene is crazy.
And then every morning at 5 a.m. he's woken up by this alarm, and he doesn't remember recording this message. So when he picks up the call, it's Karthik telling him what to do. And eventually that voice turns a bit evil because Karthik lets out that he gets these calls to Shanali. And the other Karthik, the calling Karthik, does not want to be revealed.
No.
तो वो उसे थ्रेटन करने लगता है, तुम अगर किसी को बताओगे तो मैं तुम्हारा ज़िंदगी ख़त्म कर दूंगा, मैं ये कर दूंगा, वो कर दूंगा. एंड कार्तिक्स लाइक तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. बट बिकॉज इट्स कार्तिक, ही you know takes money from his bank, he threatens his own boss and everything. And Karthik becomes really scared and he leaves everything. He breaks up with Deepika, he leaves his job and he moves. And then it is revealed that it's actually him and it's his multiple personality disorder that makes him not remember what he is doing in the middle of the night. He's recording it himself.
The way that you've described the ending, it feels like the ending could have been its own film.
Yeah.
मतलब कितना कुछ हो गया इस ending
बहुत
में.
कुछ होता है.
इसी ending में.
उसके बाद ये भी पता चलता है कि उसका एक भाई था
हाँ.
जो मतलब ही बिलीव दैट ही हैड अ ब्रदर, जो उसे लगता है कि उसकी वजह से मर गया है, बट नहीं था कोई भाई.
This is a petition to request for a prequel of Karthik calling Karthik, where we see Karthik's brother.
That whole
sequence.
dynamic,
वो-
yeah.
It will give such, अगर वो चलती ना तो ये बन सकता था.
डेफिनेटली, या. और सीक्वल भी बन सकती थी. You know, it could have been a now how are they living together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish it was a thing. I wish it was.
Yeah, I wish it would have worked.
I wish there was more answers to a lot of questions I had on the film.
Like
This only, like what happened with him and Shonali, what happened with him and Shefali, did he ever get on meds? I don't know, like logistical questions
वो
I
सब
have.
कभी आंसर नहीं
कुछ
करते
नहीं,
ये
वो
लोग.
उस टेलीफोन का क्या होता, क्या हुआ उस टेलीफोन के साथ, like I want to know.
और अगर सोचो कार्तिक अगर इस जिंदगी में अभी की जिंदगी जी रहा होता with so many apps, with ways of making different profiles on
Yes.
Instagram, on Facebook, or Twitter, whatever there is, what must that have been like, you know? That could be
Yeah.
a good film concept.
Right? Like a
Catfishing
control kind of a
yourself.
thing. Catfishing yourself. Is there no documentary that's, I feel like
Is there?
there's a documentary called Cats, nah?
I've not watched.
I'll tell you later then.
Yeah.
It's not that important. But like, yeah, I wish there was more. I wish the
Yeah.
movie was like 6 hours long.
Yeah.
So I could know more about it.
Yeah, it's
was-
also maybe something that we're interested in. But I feel like people would be, especially now when there's more awareness of like these things.
I don't think इसमें आपको किसी specific चीज़ में interest लेना होगा to enjoy the film.
That's true.
I just think you should watch it if you haven't watched it.
And
there's not much
because
to.
it's like, even if you don't want to watch something about like psychology, it's still a thriller. It's still a horror film almost. Sometimes you get scared when the phone is ringing और अब ये क्या बोलने वाला है यार.
एक तो मुझे ये ऐसा लगा जैसे कि आपकी खुद की पर्सनालिटी का आईना है, राइट? कि आपके अंदर दोनों चीज़ें हैं. वो कॉन्फिडेंट इंसान भी था और वो एक ऐसा टिमिड फियरफुल इंसान भी था. वो अपने आप को ही बता रहा है. तो लास्ट में उसकी खुद की आवाज़ ही वो सुन रहा है कि मैं ऐसा हो सकता हूँ. मैं आई कैन गेट द गर्ल ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स एंड
Yeah.
स्टफ दैट यू वर सेइंग. आई कैन बी दैट एस्पिरेशनल
Yeah.
अबाउट माई लाइफ. बट वो खुद की आवाज़ आ रही है
Yeah.
उसको. वो उससे गुस्सा भी हो रहा है क्योंकि वो ट्राई करना पड़ रहा है उसको काम करने से. वर्क हार्ड ऑन इट.
Yeah.
And it's just crazy to know that we all have these sides. We can all be evil. We can all be stupid. We can
Yeah.
all be very confident and very underconfident.
Yeah.
And like even in our general conversations, like you were like, this is something that impacts you negatively.
Yeah.
Like-
that's true. Yeah.
You know, like we were just discussing something before, like about like Zindagi. And Ida was like, yeah, this is something that maybe if you changed about yourself or you worked on, this could help you out in life. And that's like a reflection, right?
Yeah.
We're both reflecting off each other.
Yeah.
And Karthik was just doing that on his own.
With himself.
With himself, because he didn't
And
have anyone
now
to look
that you're
out for.
saying that, it was his voice the whole time. But there is a part in the film where when he's going through the change, he's becoming from geek nerd Karthik to cool, confident Karthik. There's this feeling of like, ये सच में तो ऐसा नहीं है. उसे कोई चीट कोड मिला है. कोई और उसे बता रहा है इसीलिए उसे लड़की मिल रही है, इसीलिए उसे काम में इसीलिए वो काम अच्छा कर रहा है, बॉस इम्प्रेस्ड है उससे. But it's not, na, it's him only. So at the end when we find out that both of them are the same people, you feel like that's a personal victory for him.
True, it came from him.
Yeah.
It was never this antagonized person on the other side of the phone
Yeah.
who was irritating him.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, watch it if you haven't.
Please watch it.
This is one of my favorite endings ever, actually, I
Yeah.
would say.
And now,
For our last ending,
quirkiest, twistiest film, I would say.
yeah.
Ending भी thrilling है.
Thrilling तो
but
है.
पूरी
Shocking
पिक्चर
है.
ही थ्रिलिंग है.
Thrilling
पूरी
तो मैं
पिक्चर
नहीं
मतलब
बोलूँगी.
पहले 10 मिनट में ही कुछ शॉकिंग हो जाता है.
एंड कितनी डिफरेंट है. लाइक कुछ ऐसा नहीं आया है और उसके पहले या उसके
उसके
बाद.
बाद भी नहीं आया है.
एंड आयुष्मान को ओके वेल
The film, if you haven't guessed already,
is अंधाधुन.
अंधाधुन.
What are you? If y'all are still watching after this, thank you. Oh.
क्या हुआ? कैप
I
गिर
was
गया.
like, yeah,
Okay.
Ayushman Khurrana in and not as Andhadhun, but technically,
Kind
yeah,
of
yeah.
as the blind pianist.
His first after
Vicky
Vicky
Donor.
Donor.
I think कुछ आया होगा, but this really established him as
serious actor,
serious actor, commercial star.
crowd puller. Yeah.
Yeah,
It really did. It's iconic.
it's iconic. It established him and it established Tabu as an eternal like banging star. I feel.
Really, you don't think it was before that?
I think she was always known as an actress and she was very good. But this was so commercial and so blockbuster hit that I think it gave another side to her career.
In a more modern day way, I think.
Yes.
I think she came, this generation maybe
Yeah.
consumed Taboo in a very different light now.
Yeah.
After the film, you're right. Like, we would have seen her as a great actress before, but I think for this generation, that really cemented it.
Yeah, exactly, probably.
What a great ending. What an iconic ending.
What do you think was the ending though? Because people think that he was blind or he's not blind.
There were three ways of seeing it from what I've also, because even I was very confused when I had first watched it. I personally think that he was not blind.
And he just made that whole story up and told Sophie.
Ha! I think he was insane. I think he was like, when you, like, he would always give this look, even though he was literally blind in his eyes, where you know that the person, like, you meet certain people and you're like, इनकी आंखों के पीछे कुछ नहीं है. Like, ये या सोच ही नहीं रहे किसी चीज के बारे में, except for their, like, they're very inward.
Yeah.
They're not thinking about you ever. That's what I felt looking at his expression. It just felt very distant from the environment around him.
Yeah.
Which is why I think he wasn't blind, because maybe he was just, I think he was just fucking around.
Yeah, I mean, at the end, he takes his stick and takes something out of his way.
So
Which is
subtle
like,
that
yeah, but just like one tick and ending of the film. You know?
you can miss it.
Yeah, you can miss it. Maybe people had walked out by then. But crazy.
Crazy how the subtlety of it has still stuck. Like, I'm sure किसी तो writers room में कोई ना कोई किसी ने तो argue किया होगा कि इसको थोड़ा और obvious बनाओ.
I'm
You
sure.
know?
I'm sure.
I'm sure there was a full side that was like, make it more obvious, make it like him taking it off, like maybe like throwing
मैंने
his
कहीं तो
stick.
पढ़ा था कि इसकी एंडिंग लिखने में उन्हें 2 महीना या 3 महीना लगा था.
क्या बोल रही हो?
या मैंने कहीं ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा था. So I think it was just a lot of writers room trying to get it right because पिक्चर है 10 मिनट 15 मिनट जब से शुरू होती है 10 मिनट बाद हमें पता चलता है that this pianist is acting like he's blind. Why? Because he wants to be a great pianist and उसे लगता है अगर वो अंधा होगा तो उसकी जो hearing ability है वो heightened हो जाएगी. फिर पता चलता है कि he's fallen in love. And that girl thinks that he's blind, but he's not wearing those eye things that he wears to be blind. तब वो एक्टिंग करने लगता है कि वो ब्लाइंड है बट उसे सब दिख रहा है. You know? And then we have this other integration of Tabu and her husband and this whole murder plot that he is just an eyewitness to. But he has no eyes,
He
apparently.
can't, yeah.
And now there's this policeman, Inspector Manohar, who's behind him trying to see if he's actually blind or he's not blind. And his life is under threat. Then he witnesses another murder. And then it's just one craziness after another craziness after another.
I think the trope of being blind or pretending to be blind and witnessing something that you are not supposed to witness and having to keep it inside because आप अंधे हैं according to the world, ये trope पहले हुआ हुआ है काफ़ी बार.
हाँ.
But जिस तरीके से इसमें हुआ है वैसा नहीं देखा गया है मेरे हिसाब से.
और ये जो एस्पेक्ट है ब्लाइंडनेस का इतना कॉमेडिक बन जाता है जैसे वो उसी समय जब वो पियानो बजा रहा है फिर वो देखता है कि शिट देयर इज अ डेड बॉडी फिर वो बोलता है कि मैं बाथरूम जा रहा हूँ. शी गाइड्स हिम टू द बाथरूम. He goes in. He's not blind. He sees Inspector Manohar standing there, but the audience has not seen it. So he's just like peeing, and suddenly the camera pans on Inspector
It's
Manohar,
crazy.
and you're like, what the hell?
Is this a
Same thing. He goes, he enters the police station. Murder हुआ है मुझे murder report करना होगा no matter if I'm blind or not. And he's sitting there. He wants to tell the policeman. Inspector Manohar walks in. He's the
literally
head
what is he going
policeman.
to say?
Yeah. And there's a scene also where he just stands up and he's like, मैं नहीं हूँ अंधा, देखो देखो मैं नहीं हूँ अंधा, इसने मारा है, इसने उस famous actor को मारा है, मेरे आँखों के सामने मारा है. And then he's just like, we cut to, he's just sitting there, he can't say anything.
Like, how do you live
Yeah.
with that? Entrapped by your own lie
Yeah.
is what Andhadhun is.
Yeah.
Blinded by your own follies.
And especially because he's not lying for any other purpose other than to be great. You know, he's like this philosophical dude. I
Tragic
assume.
artist.
Yeah, tragic artist, but also like I'm doing this for my art and craft.
Yeah.
I will be blind so I can become the best musician. And it's not like वो बहुत successful है. वो एक छोटे से घर में रहता है, पुणे में रहता है. But he's passionate about his work. But this happens.
He's the kind of famous who will become famous after he dies. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Posthumously.
Yeah.
I wish to see Ayushmann Khurrana in something like this again.
Yes,
I
definitely.
really want him to do some thriller again. I think
Yeah.
वो चला गया उस
I
genre
also
से.
liked an action hero जो आई थी with him and Jaideep Alawat. That was also a thriller type film. So I think in that space, Ayushmann is just
He's too good. He's too good with being subtle.
yeah.
Very good with being
Yeah.
subtle. And you can tell.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, that something's off. But he does it so smoothly.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So that was our episode. We spoke about 4 films, and if you liked it, we will do it again with
Yes.
4 other films.
tell us if you enjoyed this kind of a format. हम हर एक फिल्म के अंदर एकदम घुस नहीं पाए इसमें क्योंकि हम चारों के
endings
बारे
के
में
बारे-
बात
हाँ.
एंडिंग्स के बारे में थी. But if you liked it, tell us. We will continue to do these kind of compilation episodes
Yeah.
as well.
Especially because there are so many films. हिंदी पिक्चर में कितने सारे पिक्चर्स आ जाते हैं. अगर हम 3-4 पिक्चर्स को एक सेट में डाल के देखें कि इन सब चीज़ों में क्या कॉमन है, तो कभी कभी मज़ा आता है.
Yeah.
It'll be nice to
Yeah.
talk about many films together.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank
and
you.
see you in the next episode. Comment, like, subscribe. जरूर करिएगा. Ladies. Thank
See you soon.